In today's very special episode, I cut all of that soap that I made in the last Vlogmas, and then Cale and I head over to the mall to shop for our Christmas gifts to each other. All of that and more in Vlogmas Day 11. It's laundry day. Hey Gibbs. High five. Yeah. Down. Oh, you're so good at your tricks. Hi. Hi. Oh. Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday. I have all that soap I need to cut that I made yesterday, so I'll show you what the swirls look like on the inside. And then Cale and I are going to head to the mall to buy each other our Christmas gift to one another. We're gonna take you guys along with us while we go shopping separately. Christmas is definitely now in full swing. I'm eager to get that to-do off my checklist because the malls are only gonna get crazier from here. But before I'm able to do any of that, let's get ready for the day. And here's the look. Here's the earring of the day. I have these like bird ones, and then it has the matching bird here, but with a cuff up here. Going simple with the jewelry today. I lost one of the cuffs at that Christmas market that we went to, which is sad. That's why I don't really spend too much money on jewelry. I end up losing a lot of it. Hey, Jigs. Oh, hey.
Oh.
Hi.
I didn't know you were coming downstairs.
How are you doing?
Good, good. I was working downstairs getting orders ready to go. I'm not dispatching any today, but I'm just kind of getting them set. And I need to wrap those peach bath bombs still.
Yeah, and I have to cut all that soap.
I was just going to switch out some laundry from the washer to the dryer.
Yeah.
So I'll meet you down there.
Yeah, see you down there in a bit.
Cool.
Guys, stop bullying Jiggy. Leave her alone, please. Our animals are just, they're really strange. I've been seeing that Wednesday dance pop up in all of my different social media. I haven't even watched that show on Netflix, but it's making me want to. Because I love the original Addams Family. Did you know that Cale has never watched the Addams Family? None of them? How do you go through your childhood without watching the Addams Family? It's a classic. I watched it as a kid, but a lot of the jokes went way over my head, and it's a lot more fun to watch as an adult. I want to make Cale watch the Addams Family movies first before we watch that Netflix show, because I think he'll like it. I'm going to pull out all the logs first, and then cut them. So here are my giant logs of soap, freshly poured yesterday, and they all smell really, really good. But they're not just beautiful on the outside, they also have a beautiful design on the inside, which I will reveal to you right now. Didn't I tell you that the swirls for the rosemary mint soap always turn out so beautiful? And just to remind you, this green here is spirulina. The slightly lighter green is also spirulina, but just less of it. And then the dark evergreen color, that's a little blue, that's the indigo. And this lavender cedarwood bar, just as beautiful. The dark purple with the flecks, that's the alkanet root powder. Purple mauve, would you call this mauve, this color?
Yeah, mauve.
This mauve color is Brazilian purple clay. And then the slightly lighter brown color is the cocoa. And you can play around with the tones of each shade by adding more and adding less. But the shade combo for this soap and this soap, I adore it. So beautiful. And for French lavender soap, I used micas to get these colors. This is Luscious Lilac by Fizz Fairy. And this gray, very light gray color is a mix between one of their blue ones, I think it's Caribbean blue, and Luscious Lilac. So you can mix micas together to make your own fun color. I've been doing that for a while. Even though I have a lot of different micas, I always like to mix them to see what I can come up with. And some of the combos are pretty cool. So if you're looking for a gray, blue and purple together make a nice gray tone. But now that those are cut, we need to cure them. Cold processed soap takes about 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. One way to know that these guys are done is you can weigh them every couple of days. And when they stop losing weight, they're pretty much good to go. I toppled them doing that. I knew I was gonna do that. Try lifting this. It's like 15 pounds of soap right there.
You do squats with this too. All right, where's this going?
Over in the shelf.
On the curing rack.
Oh, gotta clean these. More dishes. But after we get those cleaned, we are done for the day and we are mall bound. Let's go to the mall today. And for dinner, we're actually going to our friend Ian and Jenny's. We mention them all the time on this channel. Sometimes Jenny watches. Hi, Jenny. Their friend is flying in from out of town and we're gonna meet him and have some food. So that's pretty much our night. So let's head to the mall. Let's go. This is what I wore to cut soap and to run my daily errands, but it's hardly a mall outfit. It's hardly let's go to a party and meet somebody new outfit. I mean, I wish track pants were. I'd wear these everywhere if I could. So let's put on something else, something a little bit more appropriate. What do we think of this, guys? Oh, what? This is brand new. No, that's not getting off. All right, let's try something else. I've got this wine red cropped cardigan, which is really festive. I've been loving cropped things more and more these days. Cute. Okay, okay, okay. All right. I have to find something other than sweatpants to wear. Oh my goodness, my camera does this flickering thing now. I really, really need to replace this camera. I've got these high-waisted boyfriend jeans. Let's give them a go. These are a little tight. We made it. Got them zipped up. Nice. Love it. So here is the final look. I think it looks pretty good. I am sucked in. There's usually a belly here, but my jeans are doing a good job holding it in. And now that I have a different top on, I definitely want to put on a necklace of some sort. Let me go grab one. Pendant necklace from Ana Luisa. Let's give this a go. This has the tiniest clasp ever, which is not great for my long nails. Yes! Should I stack it with another necklace? Another thin gold chain from Ana Luisa. Another tiny clasp. If I get this on, I'm pretty much just gonna go with it because my nails are making it difficult to get these clasps on and off. And there is the stacked look. There is a third chain you can put, but I think two is good. Okay, I'm ready for the mall and to go to that party tonight. Yay! So are there any requests for your gift?
I don't know. I don't need anything, but
yeah,
you know,
I don't need anything either.
You know, like the kind of clothes that I like to wear.
Cale and I have a shared bank account. We have access to each other's credit cards. So let's not look at each other's credit cards, at least until Christmas, okay?
Okay, until after Christmas.
Gotta make it a surprise. And we're also gonna make it a surprise from you guys as well, because I'm editing this and Cale's gonna watch this video afterwards. So we're not going to say what we end up getting, and we'll eventually reveal everything at Christmas.
So yeah, the footage is like of us
We're just gonna be
shopping in the stores.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're here at the mall. Do you want to meet here at 6:30 maybe?
Yep. Here at 6:30 looks good.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, good luck.
Don't follow me.
There he goes.
All right, so the first stop I'm gonna make is a store that I know Jerica likes. All right, see ya. Let's go on. Here we are. So we're looking for J down here. Oh, there's J. Or should I get her a Z? All right, let's go check out Dynamite.
This is my last stop.
What are you doing here?
I was gonna look in here, but now I'm not, I guess.
Oh,
whatever.
I'm going this way.
Okay, bye. Hi.
Hi,
What's that?
What'd you get?
I'm not showing you.
I actually went into other stores that I didn't buy stuff from and bought a bag from them just to throw you off.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So it looks like you went into Williams-Sonoma, Roots, and Urban Outfitters.
And where did you go?
One place.
So we went to the same place?
Yep.
You were following me, I swear.
Okay. I'm not gonna peek, I promise. So that was a success. We ran into each other once. It was a little awkward, but I think we handled it well. And we did our Christmas shopping for each other. I might do a little bit more because I didn't find as much as I wanted to, mostly because I was shopping for myself. I used some of my time for myself.
You had one job.
I know. I might go back again or do a little bit more shopping somewhere else. We'll see. But now we're headed over to our friend's party. We're gonna grab some wine and meet their friend Charles. Oh my goodness.
That must be the North Pole.
I love that house so much. Yes.
Wow,
Whoa.
those rope lights on the pillars are awesome.
Love it. The party was a lot of fun. Charles was such a cool guy. I spent some time with Jenny's pets. This is literally me at every party, hanging out with the host's pets on the floor while everyone else is somewhere else. So that is it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching until the very end. The recipes for those soaps I cut are all on my Patreon, which is listed down below. And speaking of my Patreon, thank you to all of my patrons, especially these guys, my bubble BFFs. Your generosity keeps this channel going. And that is all for today. Subscribe for more fun Vlogmas content and leave a like for this video if you enjoyed. And until the next one, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and have a happy holidays. Bye, guys. Oh, there goes a bunny. So many of these here in Calgary. Bye, bunny friend. Stay warm, stay safe.